In career and technical education, they do lots of traditional trades, and it was definitely really nice to be able to see a trade that is completely different from that with fine art. Being able to express myself my way and still being able to get hands-on experience. My favorite thing about my CTE class is the dynamic in the classroom. We're all there to help support each other. My instructor has been a huge mentor role in my life. She's helped inspire me with a lot of my work, and she's definitely part of the reason why I want to go into graphic design or photography, because of the way she helped push me and make my work what it is now.
She's a hard worker, she's creative, passionate. One of my favorite characteristics in a student is when they come to me and say, "Liz, I want to do this, how do we do it?" She's always looking for more, searching for more. In our CTE classrooms, we're able to take kids' passions and turn them into professional careers. I could put her into a professional setting and not worry one bit. I think she's ready already, and I think she's going to be an amazing designer, amazing photographer, and I'm very excited to see where her career takes her.
It's been super fun, and I've learned so much. It's definitely helped show me that this is what I want to do in my future. I'm Khloe Dean, and I'm studying commercial arts and photography at CTE.